Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Three major stories happening in cryptocurrency today. Number one, Bitcoin likely on the verge of a full-blown bull run. This is according to on-chain analytics, and we will be going over those on-chain analytics in this video. Number two, Libra, which is Facebook's cryptocurrency, has just made some significant changes because they're trying to play more nicely with regulators. So Libra cryptocurrency will get launched. And number three, China, the China's digital currency, some new pictures have been leaked. And in this video, we're going to go over that. So major thing is happening in the space today. Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. Smash up the like button, and let's talk about why Bitcoin is likely on the verge of a full-blown bull run. And what I mean by that is if we look at Bitcoin's day chart, Bitcoin has been rising for the past month already, but this isn't a full-blown bull run, at least not what we're talking about today. This is what we're talking about. These are the details. Glassnode, a leading cryptocurrency data firm, suggests that per one of its proprietary indicators that has accurately timed Bitcoin market's tops, so it has been accurate, and you will see that, a full-blown bullish reversal trend might be confirmed. So let's get into these details. According to Glassnode, one of its on-chain indicators, it's called the short-term holder net unrealized profit loss, might want to change that name for marketing purposes, has entered into the stage of hope, which means that short-term Bitcoin investors will be in profit, and it will likely be confirmed that Bitcoin has seen a bullish trend reversal and will enter back into a cycle of growth as opposed to weakness. So let's go to that right now. So this indicator has been extremely accurate in timing Bitcoin's market tops. That's going to be the green zone. Also, consistently staying above the red zone has indicated Bitcoin bull market. So you're going to see us almost above the red zone. The current upward trends needs to be confirmed before we say that a full bullish trend reversal is upon us. So what are we looking at here? Well, the colorful line is the proprietary indicator, and you can see it as different levels, which correspond to different colors. And then the gray line is Bitcoin's price, and this goes back all the way to 2011. And the different levels or different colors, red is capitulation, orange is hope through fear, yellow is optimism through anxiety, then green, which usually indicate tops, I guess, is belief. And we are very close, according to this indicator, to breaking out of red, which historically has seen us stay above red. Obviously, that doesn't happen every time, but after that, we'd be looking for a green top. Now, before we get to the other two top stories of the day, which again is how Libra is making big changes in hopes that they can launch, and also the leaked pictures of China's digital yuan, before we get to that, let's go over again the fundamental reasons why a bull run is near. And these things were pointed out by Mike Novogratz recently. He said two things. He said stimulus by central banks and governments. Governments and central banks around the world have kicked into overdrive over the past few weeks to combat the economic effects of the coronavirus outbreak. They have been printing money en masse, airdropping money to citizens, bailing out businesses, and much more. Novogratz claims that this makes Bitcoin and gold look better, citing their scarce nature. And then number two, institutional adoption. Another thing that Novogratz signaled is that he's bullish on Bitcoin because he's seen it is in the midst of seeing strong adoption from institutional players, specifically pointing towards high net worth individuals and hedge funds entering the industry. He didn't mention his prediction in the latest interview on Bloomberg, but Novogratz last week told CNBC that he remains certain that Bitcoin will pass $12,000 in October and then eclipse its previous all-time high of $20,000 by the end of the year. That is a bold prediction, Mike. Let's move on to the Libra news. I thought this was pretty interesting because whether you like it or not, Libra, I think, is going to launch. So Libra has made a bunch of changes to play more nicely with the regulators. Let's find out about that. After a rocky road with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, key decision makers at Libra have gone back to the drawing board to retool their cryptocurrency platform to be more palatable to regulators. First of all, Libra has applied for a payment system license from Swiss regulators FINMA, the Swiss Financial Markets Supervisory Authority, so this alone is a huge milestone on the way to some publicly usable Libra payments system. But of course, there is still work to be done. So there are a number of underlying technical changes taking place. First, Libra's multi-currency stablecoin, the LBR, will be backed by new stablecoins instead of the fiat currencies living in a bank account somewhere. So instead of, being backed by dollars like a tether is supposed to be, this is going to be backed by stablecoins. Libra co-creator David Marcus tweeted that the most notable evolutions are the creation of single currency stablecoins like USD, Europe, GBP, in addition to the Libra coin. So these are not cryptocurrency stablecoins as we would like to think. These are basically countries tokenizing their own currency into a stablecoin. And I'm going to show you what China is doing in just a second. So this updated design is made possible by smart contracts that ties together the fixed nominal weights of underlying stablecoins. It also happens to limit Libra's flexibility, since adding or removing a currency from the basket would require issuing or retiring another digital token. The second major update is the retooled white paper itself. The first version described Libra as a permissioned network controlled by the Libra Association, and the plan was for it to go permissionless in the next 5 years. But the revised white paper outlines a more compliant roadmap for Libra's future, limiting what people can do on the network. Unhosted wallets will be subject to balance and transaction limits, for example, and the network will only be accessible to regulated crypto companies at the start. So where Libra was previously stuck in regulatory purgatory, the gears appear to be turning more methodically lately. A lot of tongue twisters in that last part. So Libra is getting more compliant because they have to deal with governments. This is something that, the only coin that is safe from this is Bitcoin because it is truly decentralized. Ethereum might be safe, but other than that, you're seeing firsthand what, if any coin gets mainstream, this is what they'll have to deal with. And that being said, first of all, everybody give this video a like. I feel like we're providing a lot of value today. Let's give this video a like, get this video out there to as many people as possible, and check this out. It is becoming abundantly clear that China will be launching its own digital currency. And now we have pictures. So let me give you some details. Yesterday, the crypto community was shocked when local reports suggested that the Agricultural Bank of China, one of the nation's biggest commercial banks, which is coincidentally state-owned, has begun to test a national digital currency project. The reports cited images leaked through WeChat that show a new application by the Agricultural Bank of China. They specifically depict a beta version of an application branded with the logos of the Agricultural Bank of China. Look at this. This is what their digital currency might look like. We don't know if this is true. We haven't confirmed this yet. Although the images have not been fully translated, the term DC in English is front and center on the application's home screen, which coincides with the name many have given China's digital yuan project, the Digital Currency Electronic Payment, or DCEP. So again, this is hinting that this really is it. And then finally, just one final picture, another picture of what the app looks like compared to similar apps in Chinese territory. So the Chinese digital currency is going to happen whether you like it or not. Libra's cryptocurrency is going to happen whether you like it or not. I think that this is bullish for cryptocurrency because a lot of people think cryptocurrencies and tokenized currencies are dead. Hell no, they're just beginning. If you haven't voted for Blockchain Influencer Awards, make sure that you vote Altcoin Daily for Best YouTuber. Make sure you vote Altcoin Daily for, best news source. And then also vote Altcoin Daily for the Golden Upvote Award. And if you wanted to see us, vote for these live, we did a live stream the other day where everybody who was in the live chat helped me pick who I voted for, and I gave my opinions on who I thought deserved to be nominated and didn't deserve to be nominated. So check out this video. That is it for me today, my friends. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.